Hi guys, I'm Amy and I have OUAI's newest product here. This is their volume spray. And I like to just spray that first all over my hair. Comb it out with this wide tooth comb. And now I can start sectioning off my hair. So first I like to grab the bottom section. So once we've sectioned that off, I like to take it into smaller sections and even smaller sections. So now we can move on to the next section. I'm gonna now take the new OUAI volume spray and I'm just gonna hit my damp hair section by section like this. Let's do this. Okay, let's move on to the next section. Again, I'm gonna hit my hair with the volume spray right at the root. So now I'm just gonna comb out my hair here in the front. And this is the one that really matters. So I'm taking the OUAI hair oil. This is one of my favorite OUAI products. So I personally love to take a curling iron, like a wide barrel curling iron, just to perfect the blowout.